everybody. Welcome to another sidestepping adventure, a mid-Tennessee adventure. I'm Jason. We're at Clifty River. This is showing you where I got wild and crazy at Backyard and Fabian and Beargut. Now this ain't it, but there's one down the road. There's a spot with a tree, a rope in the tree you can jump off. But I ain't going that far today. Ain't that pretty? This summer, me and Kim's coming down here. Hopefully by then, I'll have a truck. Look how crystal clear that is. If I had waders, I'd go across and get my machete and clear it out of it. But I ain't got none of those. This used to be the partying spot too. Used to be good fishing. I don't know. If you look way over yonder, that's all ice. Right there. I might find some more ice over here, I think. We'll try to walk out of here without the battery going down. I'll try to show you a couple of things. Maybe I'll just show you this part first. I don't. Tree down. Somebody made a new rope, but that ain't deep enough. You're gonna hit your head. They must have been on something when they thought that up. Cause that ain't no more than 5 foot deep. Not too smart. Here, there's some ice floating. Looks like it's trying to make its way down this way. Yeah, I used to do partying right here too. Well, everywhere on this river. It was kind of like Creedence Clearwater's Revival's song, rolling on down the river. We were partying on down the river. Every spot like this used to be full of people on the weekends back in the 90s. And there's a lot of spots. But up by the bridge, my old boss that's passed away, Sam Graham, said in the 60s, church people used to come down here and after church they would get together. But it got so bad with the drugs that they had to stop that. Now when I was down here drinking and partying. Now I recall on Sunday morning waking up passed out in the truck, our car, that the Churchwood people was there giving out food. So, and afterwards, they'd go swimming or preach. Here we got a car, so we are back on. I had to let the car pass, but now I'm down here. Another spot on the river. A friend of mine got killed right here. His wife, she was on something and come in and shot him in the tent or camper. I can't remember. But he passed away right here. Yep. Larry, I think that, if I can recall. I think they called him Fish for short. I can't remember. Somebody from Crossville was watching this. Comment and let me know who it was. You've done it yet. Because I can't recall everything. Okay. I never partied much right here. But I will tell you a story about one night when I was down here before I met Kim. And it's kind of spooky. It was for me. So I'll tell you that when we get up that way. But I ain't cutting it off this time. I'll take you up here. Show you the rest of the river. Yep. So hope everybody's having a good day. Today, look at that ice. I got Jim on my side, so no fears, no worries. I got one, well, if anybody can tell me where I can find some rat shot for a 22 Magnum, let me know in the comment, because that's what I've got in Jim. One warning, which is a rat shot. I usually give 2, but I'm out of rat shot. So, one warning this time. I ain't got no rubber boots on, so we're not going in the water. Isn't that beautiful? Like I said, backyard, make y'all a trip down here. If you got a camper, we'll all camp out down here. There's other places, but this is a good spot. Give Fabian Miss Rainey and her husband. Now they want to go to Uranus. We're gonna do that. I would go that way, but see people dump their trash. I don't like that. Do not like that. That's been a problem for many, many years. Oh, I took Kim down here when we first started dating. It's a good romancing spot too. If you catch the right time. Here's another spot before I take you on the big finale shebang. Do pretty good for a screw in my foot, don't I? I'm a billy goat. I look like 1-2, don't I? Somebody wrote, I love you more. I did not write that, honey. Okay, let's kick her into four-wheel drive and try to get up this big hill here. I partied a lot up here back in the day. But there was a lot of days I was sober over here too. So, just wasn't a party spot. Don't know why that's going on. I got that turned off. Oh, I set the alarm to try not to make this so big. If you don't hear me, that's because you hear the river. something? It's nice, ain't it? Yeah. Baby, and he's like, yeah. Yeah, it's nice. In the summertime now, it's pretty crazy. A friend of mine's mom got killed right there. So, that's how crazy it can get. There's the bridge. Well, this concludes the Clifty River tour, or so to speak. Y'all take care, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next sidestepping adventure in Mid-Tennessee Adventure. See ya. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.